Hello everybody, this is Jen and I am here with a new item, and this just may be the biggest DIY room or kit that I've seen, not just because of the size of the box, but because this thing's heavy. I'm going to say this thing probably weighs about 20 pounds. This is from Cute Room. I got it from Amazon. I will link that in the description below. But I just finished the Robotime Magical Room Kit. I have a couple more room kits to do, but this one's intriguing me. So I thought maybe we could look to see what's inside. It's so big, it comes with a handle. And we'll flip it over for you guys so you can see the rooms. So the rooms, it's a 3-level small house. Like the living room has like a balcony. It's super cute. There's like a little, sorry my lights are reflecting, but yeah, there's lots of detail in these. So let's do a little bit of unboxing and see if we can get an idea of the size of this thing. So I was pretty excited. I got the video edited for the Robotime Magical Creation. It wasn't too horribly long, so hopefully you guys enjoy that one coming up here this weekend. Let's look to see what we have in this box. So I'm really aiming for the instructions because they do give you a good idea of what's in here. But I have like a whole bag of fabric and foam and fluff. So that's, wow, that is a lot of fabric. That is a handful, plus some fluff, or I'm assuming some pillows and stuff. I have another bag full of other bags that have a lot of greenery in them. Here's our beads, our light fixtures. I love these because they give us a good idea of how to DIY some of your own stuff with the stuff that you have or can get easily without paying like an arm and a leg. So here's like a whole bunch of, looks like light fixtures. We have some wire, and this wire here is jewelry making wire, you guys, so it's very pliable. Again, some greenery, plants, we got trim and some more beads. There's some little fruit or something in there, that's cool. We have, assuming these are for some kind of plant or leaves, based off of what I have already done. A whole lot of wire and some battery packs. Hinges for the house itself. That looks like a light fixture waiting to happen. This looks like a light fixture or several waiting to happen. A mirror and some miscellaneous. So there's that. Lots of good stuff, lots of DIY to be done here, which is what I love. I just finished my DIY Ollivanders, which was completely DIY. I made the kit myself, and I'm gonna prove it out maybe and possibly put that kit out on the market for you guys. Okay, there is a very large bag of pieces here. I believe this is all the furniture and maybe some miscellaneous house pieces. Oh, there's a toilet in there. That's fun. You never see toilets. Yeah, this is just huge, you guys. This itself probably weighs about 5 pounds. Oh, and that's not all. Wait, there's some more. There's some more wiring and some more house pieces. The yellow ones all are the actual house. And then lots of trim and stuff too. So it's very detailed. It's going to be fun to make. The house itself, now you can kind of get an idea of the size. Oh, it looks like we lost a screw here. I'll put that off to the side. So he's gonna be big. There he is. That's the side of the house. So looks like it's measuring probably about 18 inches. Probably about 18 inches, which is probably the size of this box. Oh, and then of course we have a bottle of glue. This one has music, so I'm assuming this is the music box. Lots more pieces of the house itself. And then I have some paperwork here, which I'm assuming will have the directions in it. Okay, so the first set of papers here has our templates on it. It also has all our cut apart. So it's going to have our wallpaper and flooring and stuff like that. Now, whether I use that wallpaper and flooring, I don't know. We'll see. Looks like it got in here in pretty good condition. The package came from Amazon, but I'm sure it's from overseas. Oh, okay. So, yep, you see some flooring, some wallpaper. It's like cut to size, so I can always change it up because I have these templates to cut. This is the roof, and I'm going to change that. It does have some really cool artwork in it, and I do have these frames from BB Craft that I can use for some of the artwork if they don't have frames available. And then some of the furniture have these nice little decals, and I may change that up a little bit too. And again, there's some flooring and wallpaper and flooring, and here's one of the frames. Like, I can use a three-dimensional frame that I have in my stash. And then here is the wallpaper for the main house, along with some of the little like these are cups and clock and stuff like that. So there's some of the papers, and there's another set in here, and the plastic for the windows. But what I was looking for was the book, and I found it. So let's look here. Let's see if I can stash this away. This is a heavy kit, you guys. Lots of goodies in here. And it's yellow. I may have to paint it. What do you guys think? If you guys have a suggestion on what color to paint it, leave it in the link. Leave it down in the comments below. Because I don't know that I'm feeling the yellow thing. And I'm going to change the shingles anyways. So, yeah. So, there's all the pieces. I wonder how many, is there a piece count? I don't think there's a piece count. It says 1010 miniature series. I may have to go look up the rest of the 1010 miniature series from, this one's called Fairy Tale Homestead. It tells you what's in each of the packages, which is very helpful, especially if you're like searching for a certain part. Oh, look at how they did these columns. That is a very cute idea. Stairs. Nice. Look at the little covered chandelier. There's a clock. Oh. Okay, so yeah, this is going to be fun and quite detailed. So I can't wait. Yep, here's those that plant, and I have like a little leaf punch, so maybe I'll be able to use this. They have a toilet bowl. Looks like they put a little gold on there. Cute. And there's some of the rooms. And there you go. So if you guys have any suggestions, like I said, on what color we should paint this house and what we should do with it, besides just put it together the way it is, let me know down below. And yeah, the link to this house is in the description box, so I can't wait to start it. We'll see you next time. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.